Hi guys, here we are. We hiked for this waterfall right behind me. It's called Waterfall Skok, I don't know. We are in the High Tatras in Slovakia, and yeah, we are hiking here for 3 days. And another thing is that we started in the rain. We climbed that 350 meters in like 1.5 hours, and right now we are here in like a winter wonderland or something. It's the 15th of September, and here in the High Tatras it's snowing only since last week, so we are kind of the first people to see snow right here this fall. Also, I really don't want to talk too often in these videos. It's gonna be more ASMR, more nature sounds than my voice, but sometimes I think you need some information about where we are, what we are doing. And for today, this is our point of interest. Okay, so this is the waterfall. Let's get closer and let's take a look. Hey guys, so we just got back from the first trail. Tomorrow we will do another hike, so if you're interested in the other video and in the other hike, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me because I know that you are interested in future videos as well, and I will keep making them. So yeah, and also if you have some spare time, you know what, please comment on this video, tell me what you thought about it, and I will make sure to reply to it. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for being a virtual partner and friend for this hike. And I really hope that we will see each other again, maybe in another video. Okay? Thank you. Bye.